Hello guys and welcome back into Better Personal Growth, where we usually share with you strategies and methods on making money online, on making and tutorials step by step, which is going to help you to know and understand how you can make this kind of money online. And as well, in today's video I'm going to share the same thing. So if you like this kind of content, if you want to see more day by day coming up, and if you have any suggestion, you may consider the fact that you can like all of the videos, you can subscribe the channel, push the notifications on so you will not miss any video at all, and you follow every tutorial that I have shared so far in order to make money day by day. So you can be in zero amount of money into your PayPal account, and after that to go to this amount of money only by using one simple strategy within a day. And if you have any comment, any suggestion, you can consider the fact as well that you can comment in the videos that I'm sharing as well. So in today's video as well, you are going to learn how you can make money online by testing apps, testing platforms and websites. And in order to make it work, in order to make that amount of money that I showed you previously, you will need to watch this video again to the end, so otherwise you will get confused and not know how it works. The very first platform that we are going to use today, it's called userletics.com. This platform, it's a very good platform, and why I'm suggesting this is because if we go to Trustpilot, we can see here that it is totally legit platform, and the reviews and the control or traffic that it is getting, it's poor, so it's not so high. So it means that they really need clients, they really need users for it. So whenever you use it, they will pay you more money online. It will be easier since they don't have so much competition within there. And since you are going to use as an app tester, it means that you will not have so much competition between the other app testers as well. And yeah, it is easy to use this experience testing. You can leverage their state-of-art usability testing platform as well as a property panel of almost 1 million to rapidly receive qual and quants research of almost any person globally. You can schedule a demo or you can watch a video on how you can make it work. Their clients are like L'Oreal, BGC, Assurant, TripAdvisor, EasyJet, Canon, and Digitas. So they are very good partners supporting it, even though that it has got so little reviews and such a little stars there. They are supported by very good companies and platforms. Now, some of their state-of-the-art capabilities that they are offering are advanced video capture and editing, so you can make even video capturing here and editing. You can make quantitative and qualitative metric, tree testing and card sorting, live conversation, easy onboarding, and privacy protection. Now, all of these are just for information because all what we need to do is just tree testing and card sorting. In order to see how you can do it, you will need to watch the video till the end. So stick around. You can discover, define, and design, and after that testing. So you will not only be able to make testing here, but you can design and discover new websites as well. So for those of you who like to discover different websites, who would like to see there, you can make it able here. As well, you can define them here. How it works is filter your target tester. First of all, you will need to create your test. You will get real feedback and share the results. So whenever people see your new website, new platform or app, they will be sure about what they're using. Same as we did here right now when we went to Trustpilot and search for Userletics. Now, if we go to the very end of the page, we will see there that you can make website testing, mobile app testing, and prototype testing. But what is more important about us now is the pricing option. So if we go to the pricing and we click there, we will see 3 packages, 3 plans that they are offering. It's the basic, the enterprise, and the custom. As you may see, the basic is offering for one single testing $49 per participant or for tester doing that. And the enterprise, it's offering $69 per participant, and the custom one, it means that you can create your customized plan for specific project and convenient profiles. You can see other information like how much money you will get within a minute, so they will not be being late payment, and so you will get them directly into your PayPal account. Included in this are all these plans like all digital assets, unlimited current testing, branching logic, advanced metric, picture recording, test annotations, bring your user privacy protection, QR reviews, and each panel participant result, unlimited storage of the result, and other services as well. What is important as well for us is to understand how it works. So if we go to the very beginning of the page again, we will need to click into tester sign up, where we will create our new account as well, but just to see there even other information regarding to that. So if we click there, we will be directed into this page. You will register and earn money to get paid to test websites and apps. You will interact with a web or mobile app, so you can use your smartphone, your computer, and you can interact with the websites. And you will get paid via PayPal. So as you may see, it's PayPal account of money. And same as I promised you, same as I told you in the beginning, you can see that they will test for every test you do, that you will get paid from $5 to $10 to $50 and $20. And other amounts, some of their projects pay as much as $90 for having fun expressing opinions. So you will just be able to earn $90 within using this platform for just giving some opinions about a web. So when we talk about opinions, I mean like stuff like, for example, I don't like the color of the web, or I don't like this button, you may change it with another one, and so on. In order to access it, you will just need to type your email here. After that, to confirm that you are not under the age of 16 and to agree to the terms and conditions. As you may see, even the 16 years old can use it because it's easy and it is legit for sure. After you have agreed with all of these, you will need to create your new password by just clicking into sign up and completing the CAPTCHA. But what is more important as well is this part over here. So it's how it works. You will get paid on a part-time basis, so to check out the usability of apps or websites, as you will be testing from home, so it's something that you will be easily doing it. In order to access it, you will just click into sign up and proceed with the other information like password and email. And for today, that was all. If you like it and if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.